Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Node, JS installed and VS Code ready. Once done, create a project folder and add index. JS, this is where you write JavaScript. Make sure to open the folder in VS Code so the editor can resolve node modules and settings. Then install Code Runner and the Chrome debugger extension. These give you quick run and debug options. Finally, check terminal access in VS Code. You'll use it to run commands, so don't skip this initial verification step. Next, run and prepare to debug. You can run the file quickly by right-clicking index, JS and choosing Run Code, or press Ctrl+Alt+N for Code Runner. This shows output instantly. For deeper inspection, add a launch. JSON with a node. JS configuration so breakpoints hit correctly. Open the debug panel, set breakpoints, and start the debugger. This lets you step through lines. If you prefer manual execution, run node index JS in the integrated terminal to observe console logs and stack traces. To finish, save your files, run node index JS, and confirm the expected output. If behavior differs, use console, log, or breakpoints to inspect variables. Stepping through reveals the why behind failures. Make sure your launch. JSON points to the correct program path, and that node version matches your code requirements. A key troubleshooting tip: if runs fail or debugger won't attach, disable conflicting extensions, restart VS Code, and try running in the terminal directly. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.